Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically enable your activity status on TikTok and how you can also enable the profile views as well. So if you want to enable the activity status, you're just going to head over to inbox and you're going to select the button next to the inbox and you're just going to enable activity status. To disable it, just select that button again. Then you're just going to go to your profile page to enable the profile views. It is the foot icon next to these three lines here. You're just going to select it and you're going to turn it on, but I have it off. If you do turn this on and you went to somebody's page and they have this enabled as well, they will know that you have stalked their page, like TikTok page, you have viewed their page. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.